Hello and welcome back. I'm Andy W. and today I'm going to teach you how to make a healthy, hearty breakfast. French toast. We're going to be doing the mayoclinic.org version, which is said to be heart healthy and filling, containing dietary fiber, carbohydrates, protein, and more. First, let me take you through the steps. We're going to get 4 eggs and crack them in a bowl. We are then going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and about 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Next, we are going to whisk the ingredients until it's nice and even. This recipe is good for 4 pieces of bread. Get those on out. Lather the bread in the mix and put it in or on a pan or griddle. Sometimes I like to add milk to make it so it's easier to get off the pan later. Turn the heat up to about medium or whatever works for you. Also, don't be like me and burn yourself checking the temperature. Sprinkle on some ground cinnamon to both sides. Once done, turn off the heat and serve it so it doesn't get cold. If you want, you can add the recommended amount of syrup, which is 1/4 cup, and some powdered sugar.